This video I'm going to show you how to get from this setup to this. Here's another one that I did using a little bit of spackling and a utility knife. When I replaced my smoke alarms, I ended up with 2 holes and an anchor here. So the anchor is the hardest part, but you can't just paint over this. So I'll show you what I did. So you'll need a utility knife to cut out any of these anchors, these little plastic anchors that used to hold screws. So this is the easiest. You try to pull it out. So my walls are actually plaster, but either way, if you're drywall or plaster, pulling it out is going to make a bigger mess. So you just want to cut the top off. You can push it on the end of the wall if you want to. For me, I ended up just digging off the top here and then having a space to put it. You'll see in a minute though, I actually didn't take enough off. And so you want to fill holes like this with spackling paste. You could actually just use your finger, but I'm using a putty knife kind of tool. Anything really would work to do this. You just want to push a little bit of it down in there and then don't leave too much on top. It sands really easily, but the more you leave on top, the bigger mess you're going to make when you sand it down to make it smooth. So you just want to try to push it into these holes, get it full in there, and then this is a 15-minute drying spackling, so it should be dry by the time I come back with the paint and the sanding brush, and we will take a look at it then. I actually realized with this one I didn't take enough of the anchor off, so I came back with the utility knife here and dug it out just a little bit more so I could get my spackling paste nice and even and smooth there. So I think I located both the appropriate paints. One is a little older, but actually it was easier to stir it up. The newer one, the purple one, is a little bit more difficult to get stirred up. So I don't know if it's because of the color. Hopefully it will still work and match. I like to do disposable, so this is from the old paint can, but I just get a little cup of paint and a disposable brush so that we can just touch up this little area and then throw everything away. Here's the second location. Not much to do there. The hardest part of the whole thing was getting the old paint cans open and stirred, hoping that the paint matched. Pretty sure it matches once it's dry. I actually am not the one that painted this room. It was not well done, but I'll fix a little bit of the errors. So then I just throw away those brushes and cups. I put this in a bag so it doesn't dry out. Final result, not bad. I did leave a little bit thin on the paint, but looks pretty good. Get the second one. So it's amazing how much I can procrastinate on just a little job like that. So I had everything at the house I needed. So I used this putty knife, spackling, sanding, paint, and some sort of brush. Oh, the utility knife. Do I still have it? There it is. So again, I have been in the ER for one of these, so be careful with them. Thanks for watching.